This is not financial advice. It's not legal advice for entertainment, educational purpose only. Everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see how I'm analyzing the data. Like I tell you every day, the data they put out to us is false. It's false. It's meant to give us a negative narrative of the market, to mess with us psychologically, to keep us off balance so we could make bad decisions. Anyway, listen, if you follow my tweets, you follow my videos, you know yesterday I said that a limit up, limit down rule don't apply to AMC and GME. And I also stated that these Chinese stocks that they allowed to run is because I believe, and this was my theory, that a lot of the hedgies and the co-conspirators are long in these stocks. They are long in these stocks. And yesterday, ATXG, another Chinese company that does, who knows, they don't have a website. They don't have a product. I'm not even really sure exactly what they do. I'm not sure exactly what they do. But somehow this stock went from $750 to $656 in one day. From $7.50 to $656 in one day. Explain to me how this is possible. The company has no real value. The company doesn't even have enough money to put up a website. But somehow, investors, and you know wasn't retail investors, somehow investors decided that this stock was worth $656. And it went from $7.50 to $656 in a day. And there was no limit up, no limit down. It was allowed to run. And now I've come to the conclusion that not only was my theory correct, that the hedgies and their co-conspirators are long in these companies, I believe that they're just going to China or going to Asia, picking companies that are not doing anything and just using them as a vehicle to generate some cash. I believe that these bad actors are trading these companies back and forth with each other. And they might even have some brokers. They might even have some brokers who are in cahoots with them. And I don't know if they're pushing pension money into these stocks, but no reputable broker would put his clients' money in these stocks. No reputable broker would recommend to their client to buy these stocks because these companies have no real value. These companies don't do anything. And ATXG, when I tell you I couldn't find anything about this company that made it worth 5 cents a share, much less $656 a share. So I'm saying to myself, these guys are running these shell companies. They're running these shell companies in order to generate cash, in order to get liquidity. But who are they selling these shares to? Are they selling back and forth between each other to push the price up? Or do they have brokers that are pushing these terrible stocks on their clients? I believe that further down the line, all these Chinese stocks that been going from zero to $600 and $700 and $1,000, I believe they are going to be the subject of a whole lot of investor lawsuits in the near future, because these companies that have no value, that produce absolutely nothing, that come out of Asia, are somehow the darlings of Wall Street. They have become the darlings of Wall Street, and they don't produce anything. They don't do anything that justifies that price range. So this is another Ponzi scheme that I believe that the hedge funds are utilizing to generate some cash. But I'm wondering who the victim is in this. I'm wondering who they're taking advantage of in this. If I was investing and my broker recommended this stock to me, or he put me in one of these plays, I would be contacting the courts, because I believe there's a lot of shenanigans going on with these Chinese stocks. And is it a coincidence that Citadel has been increasing their position in Asia? Are these two connected? I don't know. But anytime I see Citadel and shady activity, my antennas go up. Anytime I see Citadel and shady activity, my antennas go up. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, and tell me what you think about these Chinese companies that do absolutely nothing, that has no value, running from $5, $6, $7 to hundreds of dollars in a day, and nobody steps in to stop the carnage. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me. God bless.